Preventable blindness is a trending topic in global health circles. As populations live longer, more people will need corrective eye treatment than ever before. In India, 15 million people are blind, and 80% of those cases were preventable. Accessibility is a major factor, as there are only 20,000 ophthalmologists for 1.3 billion people. When KC, a tech executive at a company in India, learned about the problem of preventable blindness, he decided to act. His decision has transformed an industry and helped save the eyesight of hundreds of thousands of people around the world.
I've been a technical guy for 25 years. I worked pretty much in the semiconductor industry for the entire period of my life. The first time I really heard about the problem of preventable blindness, really felt overwhelmed, touched. Had no background in ophthalmology, no background in medical devices, but we as technical people, I felt that it's important for us to contribute to this cause, because it was not only a problem respected to India, it is also across the world. I spent the next 4 years primarily looking at what are the real problems. I visited many hospitals, made interviews with a lot of doctors as well as patients. It took me 5 years to build up courage to start something on my own. We called our company For Us. It is for our community, but the joke was that it was also 4 of us at the initial stage. Our product is called the Trinetra. This device will take the image of the eye, both the front of the eye and back of the eye, and it will do refraction. It can be operated by somebody who's from the community, so you don't have to find specialized technicians. These images can be transmitted over the cloud to an ophthalmologist who could be in a city, and the ophthalmologist reads these images, diagnoses them, and sends his report back. These devices are really portable and rugged, so you can move it from one place to another place without losing its optical alignment. People take it on motorcycles, people take it on buses. They use it in multiple ways. All the patient has to do is come there, spend like 5 minutes, take an image, and then within, let's say, a couple of hours, he can get a report whether his eye was okay or not. As we speak today, we have close to about 1,500 installations across 26 countries. Our estimate is we have touched lives of about 2 million people.
ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. 2 ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ಜನಿಂಗ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 ಡೇಸಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
It's important that the people in bottom of the pyramid aspire to have the same amount of care like the top of the pyramid. Whether it is the big hospitals in Mexico or the US using our product, or the remotest of locations in the Amazon, we have not diluted the product or the product quality based on where it is used. So a person in Amazon gets the same imaging equipment as the person in New York. So that gives us phenomenal amount of happiness